Hi, my name is Remy, and I'm a bartender here at the Rickey in Dream Midtown. And today I'm gonna make a signature cocktail from our menu called the Lavender Girl. So the inspiration behind this cocktail was blue Peaflower tea. Once you make this tea, it turns indigo blue. Once you add acid like lemon juice, it actually turns purple. So you have that captivating motion of it. As our base, we're gonna use 2 ounces of Bombay Sapphire, 1.5 ounces of Grapefruit Infused blue Peaflower tea syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and 1 ounce of egg whites.